viewers and subscribers. Welcome all of you in Alka's Botany channel. Today we are going to learn groundnut as an oil yielding plant. I am Dr. Alka Inamdar in Alka's Botany channel. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Now, what are the oils? Like other necessities of man, oils are also used as one of the main necessities as they are required in the daily life of man. They are obtained from different parts of the plant like root, rhizome, leaf, bark, flower parts, fruits and seeds also. The oils represent byproducts of metabolism rather than food material. In plants, there are so many metabolism activities are going on, and in all those metabolic activities, oils are extracted as a byproduct and they are stored in the plant parts. The oils play a major role as a hydrogen donor in oxidation reduction reactions as a potential sources of energy. They also affect transpiration and other processes in the plant bodies. Oils are combustible substances that are liquid or liquefiable on warming and soluble in ether but not in water and form greasy stains on clothes, etc. As per origin, oils are classified as vegetable oils, animal oils, and third one, mineral oils. We are mainly concerned here with vegetable oils, fatty oils in the groundnut plant. Now we come up to the botanical name of groundnut, that is Arachis hypogaea, family Leguminosae, subfamily Fabaceae, or it is also called Papilionaceae, common English name groundnut, peanut, and sources for vegetable oils used as the seeds of that plant. Now we come up to the origin and distribution of groundnut. The name Arachis hypogaea is derived from two Greek words. Arachis means a legume and hypogaea meaning below grounds, referring to the formation of pods in the soil or below the soil surface. The groundnut is Brazilian in origin, that is, origin of groundnut is in Brazil. It was introduced in India by about 16th century by Portuguese. Groundnut is grown in tropical and subtropical countries in the world. India, China, USA, Nigeria, Sudan are the largest producers of groundnut plant. India is the largest producer, mostly in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. All these are the largest producer states in India. Now we come up to the morphology of the plant. Groundnut plant body is a low-growing annual herb with bacterial nodules on the lateral branches of the taproot system. Stem is cylindrical and also hairy. Leaves are pinnate with two pairs of leaflets. Here in the diagram, we can easily understood that leaves are pinnate with the two pairs of leaflets. Flowers are axillary, yellow with papilionaceous corolla. The fertilized ovary, which is called as a peg, after entering into soil, develops into a pod. This is a larger standard. These two are wings and this central part is a kill which shows boat-shaped structure. So all this corolla is called as papilionaceous corolla because it looks like a papillon, that is a butterfly. Now the pods of this groundnut, which are fruits with a pod with 1 to 6 seeds. Minimum 1 seed in that pod and maximum 6 seeds are also present in a single pod. Pods are long in clusters. The fruit wall is a dry pericarp that is called a shell or hull, which is fairly fibrous with reticulate margins. The shell of the pod consists of outer spongy layer, middle hard layer, and woody layer, and the inner one is thin and papery layer. Seeds in which each seed with two thick cotyledons. The seed coat is red, yellow, white, papery covering that is different in the species to species of that groundnut plant. The groundnut which edible oil contains, class of the oil is non-drying oil which don't absorb atmospheric oxygen. This oil is rich in saturated acids and oleic acids, and in that oil iodine number is less than 100, and because of that it is used as an edible oil. Color of that oil is golden yellow color. Odor is faint, agreeable. And fatty acid constituents in that oil are oleic acids 56%, linolenic acid 25%, palmitic acid 6 to 12%, stearic, arachidic and other saturated acids are minute amounts in the groundnut edible oil. Now we come up to the last part of this video, that is the economic importance of groundnut. Filtered or refined groundnut oil is mainly used for cooking purposes. Groundnut kernels, that is young seeds, are rich and cheap sources of proteins. Therefore eaten raw, fried, salted and cooked also. They are added in small amount in many food preparations. In South India, groundnuts are used in preparing chutney by crushing them with chilies, salt, cumin, etc. along with water. After harvesting the pods, the groundnut plants are used as a cattle feed in green state or in dried and covered into hay or after covering into silage. Groundnut milk and groundnut curd are prepared by crushing fresh soaked groundnuts, and both the products are used as sources of proteins. Vanaspati ghee is prepared by hydrogenation from groundnut oil. Oil is rich in proteins and used as a cattle feed and poultry feed. It is also used as a fertilizer for some cash crops like banana, vegetables, etc. Groundnut oil is used for soap making, in shaving creams, pomades and in cold creams. It is also in leather dressings, furniture creams, candles and glycerin preparation. The oil is also used as a lubricant and illuminant also. Groundnut oil is used as a substitute for olive oil in the preparations of plasters, ointments, special soaps and so many things. The groundnut oil is used for preparation of concentrated solutions of vitamins A and vitamin D. The groundnut oil emulsion controls many insect pests of other plants, and it increases its toxicity of insecticides like nicotine sulfate and rotin 1. The groundnut plant shows bacterial nodules on the root system. Therefore, it is a good crop for rotation and useful for increasing soil fertility. Artificial fiber called Ardil is made from groundnut protein, and it is used in the textile industry. Groundnut shells are used in the manufacture of activated carbon, acetic acid, alcohol and acetone. They are also used as a fuel. Fine powder of dried shells of groundnut is used for polishing tin plates, for removing carbon from aircraft engines also. So all these are economic importance of groundnut. Thank you. Thank you very much.